Hey guys, it's Amy with Amy McKeon Art. Thanks for joining me on my channel today. We're going to be doing just a really quick cloud pour. I actually found this video in my archives and realized that I had never posted it. So I hope you enjoy this quick little video. All the recipes and any other details are in my description box, and I've also added some links to some products on Amazon that I think are essentials in your paint pouring journey. I got a couple of questions here and there, and I decided just to put it all in my description. I am considered an Amazon affiliate, so I do get a very small commission on anything that you do purchase, but it is at no cost to you. So I'm just gonna hush up here and let you guys enjoy the video. As always, like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you down on the canvas.